Hello guys, my name is Handina and today I'm going to do a biology experiment which is fun and easy so you can do it at home using the tools that are available in your kitchen. So, check this out!
Okay guys, first of all, we need the materials and equipment for this experiment. We As we know, yeast is actually a fungus organism, so it can grow in supportive environments. Just like any other living thing, yeast needs water to stay alive. So we dissolve the yeast in warm water and we added sugar as its food. As we put the bottle in warm area, the balloon started to inflate right. This is because during the process of growing, yeast produces a gas called carbon dioxide that, in this case, trapped in the balloon. That's why the balloon could be blown up.
I hope you guys enjoy it and don't forget, keep learning and having fun with science. Thanks for watching, bye bye!
Make for a minute, girl, just a minute.